There's a turkey walking down the street singing do-a-dee-dee-dee-dee-dum-dee-dee-doo. Oh, he's funny. There's two of them. Oh, and a deer. There's deer behind there. There is so much wildlife in this park. So much. Hi, deer. Good morning, deer. Good morning, deer. What y'all doing? Yeah, Sammy's like, what is it? You see the deer? You see the deer? You do, don't you? Little deer, I have to go get my chair and it's going to scare you off. I gotta go get my chair and it's going to scare you off. There you go. There you go. Boy, I don't mind people, do you? Good morning. I am sitting here at my picnic table, just enjoying the morning. I'm about to do some raiding, and we are going into town here in a minute. And the town we are going to is called Three Rivers. I don't know really anything about it. It does have a Lowe's supermarket, so I might have to go check out some sales. Because I love me some Lowe's, not like H-E-B, but I like the little towns and the Lowe's and the little towns and like to go check those out. So anyway, been enjoying the deer this morning that I've already shown y'all. I mean, it's just so much wildlife in this little area, just in my campsite. So I have been enjoying that, but not sure if we're gonna eat in Three Rivers. I think that's the name of it, Three Rivers. Or we're just gonna go do some sightseeing. So I think that may be what most of it is, sightseeing, but there might be a little food involved. So anyway, gonna take you along with us. So we're back from the little town of Three Rivers. There's nothing there. That's not true. There is a Valero plant there. So I did not realize we're south of San Antonio, and I didn't realize how much oil field. If you recall, I worked in the oil field for a very long time, and I didn't realize how much oil field was in this area. So there is a big Valero plant there in Three Rivers. We looked at going to maybe, that we saw 2 Mexican food places. It wasn't like, oh yeah, let's go in there. And, you know, we went to Lowe's supermarket and we're going to cook enchiladas. We're going to cook our own Mexican food tonight. So Leslie wanted enchiladas, beef enchiladas. So I'm going to make the enchilada sauce. I have a video on cheese enchilados. Cheese enchiladas. I think I made those. I did in my $30 challenge, my $30 a week challenge back last summer, I guess it was. And so I'll try to remember to put that link to that video up there. I make the red sauce, and it's only made out of spices, water, and flour, so it's really, really easy. And you always have red sauce if you want to make enchiladas. So I did a little, you know, I said earlier that I like the Lowe's supermarket stores. And so I had looked already previously online for their sales, and I got the sales ad, and I did a little bit of the walking around Lowe's and looking for the good sales and what I picked up. So I'm going to include that footage after this. Obviously, I did that already, and it's kind of out of order, but just wanted to give you a preview that that's about the only thing we did in Three Rivers, and then we came back to camp. So not an exciting, adventurous day, you know. And sometimes you go to these towns and they're gyms, and we're all these places, and then sometimes you go and you're like, oh, I don't know why we thought it was going to be Maybe because the name of it, the Three Rivers. Did they merge? Did they not? I don't know. I didn't find any history. We didn't really drive around a lot. But, you know, sometimes you go to these places and it's a flop. But anyway, so we got stuff to make our own enchiladas, our own Mexican food. So we're going to have beef enchiladas with homemade red sauce that I'm going to make. So stay tuned for the sales that I got at Lowe's Marketplace. $0.79 a pound for chicken. Wow, $2.73. Boy, that's tempting. That's tempting. But I have all those thighs in my freezer, so I'm just leery of my refrigerator. So, alright, what else? There's the chicken, the drumsticks. What else do I need? Tomato sauce, 2 for $88. Okay, maybe it's down here. 2 for $88, 2 for $88. 2 for $88. How about some processed food? 89 cents for a slice of pizza. I have a freezer. Do I dare? Some processed foods. I don't think I need anything else. Nothing. Texas beef chili. I wonder what that is. Okay, I'm gonna make my enchilada sauce, and this is, it's not mine. I didn't make this up. I saw it on YouTube. It's mine now. I claim it. And I'm doubling the recipe, so this might look like a lot, but we want leftovers, so we're gonna make a lot. So I have 2 tablespoons of oil in there, and all my spices and my flour. So I'm gonna make a roux with the flour and the oil, and then I'm gonna add the spices. And then I'm going to add 2 cups of water and let it thicken up. And then we'll have our enchilada sauce. Making a roux. Making a roux. It's not a kitty roux. It's not kangaroo. It's a... Yeah. Okay. I got to put the camera down. And stir. Added the spices and the water, and now I'm going to stir until it thickens up, and then it'll be good. It'll be done. Okay, I even thinned it out a little bit more. It got really thick, so I just added some more water to it, but I think that's good. Of course, it'll probably thicken up in the oven some more. Alright, that's the enchilada casserole, individual enchilada casserole.
You have to see what it looks like in there. It's all beefy and everything. Look.
On my plate?
Yeah.
Oh, yum.
Yeah.
See? With the guacamole and some...
Yep.
Okay, that's good. Ooh, yum. Smells so good, too.
I hope it's good. You're the sauce.
There we go. Some sour cream and guacamole. Alright. Let's taste. The taste test.
Beefy enchilada.
Mmm.
Is it good? Oh, sorry.
Wonderful. Here they come, just a walking down the... I already sang that earlier today. Oh.
It's okay.
It's okay. You not going to show us your feathers tonight? No? saying we're going home, we're going to bed. We're going to roost.
Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of them.
Oh,
Whoa.
those kids scared them.